This is a tutorial for the Alde heating system. So we have the power on and off here. You press the button once, you get the first start screen coming up. Okay, and then you've got the indicator on here telling you it's 19 degrees in here, and then we've got the fan on continuous. You press the menu button here, and then what we've got is temperature gauge that you want it to be. So for example 22 degrees or 22.5. That's the top one there, that's heating internally. The next one is the water temperature, and you can have half on or full on. Half on is probably good for summertime use. The next one is the amount of electric that you want. So if you're on site and you just want electric, you can press that. Got 1, 2 or 3 kilowatt. Okay, you can combine your electric and the gas by pressing this one, but if you are off site you can just select gas on its own. The next one is the settings. If you press that button once, what we've got is nighttime mode, which is here, and then you can switch that on and off. You can set the temperature you want, for example 18 degrees. Okay. The next one is the time that you've actually got it on. So it's on 10 till 6 in the morning, and you can change that. You can have it on for just certain days, Monday or Tuesday, etc. Or you can have it on all days. And then the end time, pretty straightforward. Okay, then you press the back button here. The next one is the daytime settings, and that's exactly the same as the nighttime settings. So you have it switched it on and off, the temperature you want, and then the time you want it. The next button here is to prioritise electric or gas. So if you are on site, electric will be priority first, or if you're doing hard camping, you can have gas. The next one is the backlight. So if it's quite bright at night time, you can change this down. You can see there. And then, okay, next setting is the time and date. That easy and straightforward. So just hold your button on there to the time you want, then the date you want, and you can have it showing on the indicator or not. Okay, next page, we've got another one which is temperature offset. That's the difference between outside and inside. I don't tend to use that myself. And then we've got high altitude if you're going up the mountains. And then we've got beeping or not, which is that button there. And then you've got some other settings here which I do recommend you don't use. Okay,